Good morning, it's Elliot at Farro's Lead Farm. So I'm going to do a little high science test again between suppressors, and I'm being sarcastic, I never take high science stuff. So most of this is just going to be kind of on my opinion. You'll have to trust me here because the cell phone cameras kind of do two different things when it comes to the sound on these suppressors. So I have a 16-inch 5.56 gun here, a 16-inch 5.56 gun here. They're pretty much identical as far as host platforms go. But this one here has the Odin BAJA Suppressor in 5.56, and this is the Odin Moab Suppressor, 30 cal. They're both direct thread cans. Let's see if you can kind of see the difference here. I don't know if it'll focus on that. So obviously the 30 caliber one's just a little bit bigger than the 5.56 one here. But we're just gonna do a little taste test to see if they sound a little different, or you know, if they're a little bit gassier, or ones get less gassy, that kind of thing. And I'm just shooting the same Farro's Lead Farm 5.56 ammo here, 55 grain full metal jacket. So nothing special as far as that's concerned. All right, so without further ado, P.S. both these suppressors are, you know, so far really good suppressors. We've probably sold 100 of each of them the last year here, and no issues at all, no returns. They do have a good warranty though, a lifetime if you did have an issue. So they seem like a pretty solid bet. But I apologize for the tripod fiasco, but it is what it is because I have no friends. High five myself, no friends. All right. Let's do a little taste test. So, first up here is the BAJA. So it's just a 5.56 direct thread suppressor here. All right, you ready for this? Let's see how it goes. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So now here's the Moab 30 cal on a 5.56, and I'm just using the super eBay $25 thread adapter. And all that thread adapter does is brings it from 1/2 by 28 to 5/8 by 24, which is the native thread pitch of this suppressor. So stay in the same spot. Hopefully you can see that okay. See how it goes. I don't know, kind of a toss-up, but I do think the 30 caliber is a little bit quieter. Here we go. Let's go full Call of Duty, akimbo style, so you can kind of see the difference here. You ready? Let's go. Yeah. So far I'm thinking, I don't know, it's really a toss-up. Obviously the 5.56 can's a little bit lighter, so it does have that going for it. But as far as pure noise reduction, it does sound like the 30 caliber, the Moab, is a little bit quieter. Very interesting. Anyway, they're both full auto rated, so we better test that. Let's test some full auto. I'm gonna switch it to Slo-Mo so we can get some cool Slo-Mo video of these things. All right, hang tight.